We're the Ilocanos. Of course, we don't spend money on expensive toilet paper like Kleenex or Sherman. We got some better, way better. We have bulong. Bulong are leaves or dahon. Sometimes there's hard bulong or nakirsang nga bulong.
Oh yes.
Like sabawel or lida or bulong tiunas kung saan bayabas. Right. Make sure you flip the leaves or the bulong because sometimes there's igas on the other side or some red. Before you wipe your kimot to make sure madinga gagatel kung saan madinga mabudwan data ubot yo. You know what I'm saying? That's Ilocano way, baby. One of the best. We have bingkol.
Wow.
Bingkol is a dried mud. You got it from the bangkag. Make sure you make bungka-bungkal, the agring-ringat nga daga.
Oh, yes.
And that's your toilet paper. There's no water in the bangkag to make your ima bugo-bugo after. So be extra careful. You need to be an expert to be able to use this ancient toilet paper of the Kailokan one. Then we have ambuligan. Ambuligan is corn nub.
Okay.
One of the best kadaanan Ilocano kimot scrubber. You know what I'm saying? So you make the mais pusi-pusi. You pusi-pusi the mais. And then when it's done, there's a white corn nub. And then as long as it's plain, you scrub that on your kimot. 85% of your pultet will get cleaned up. But make sure to clean it back when you get to the bumbaan at home. And you need to be an expert to be able to do this. So you need to learn from childhood all the way to an adult life. Only Ilocano, bro. The best of the best, homie. We don't need none of this toilet paper crap. Then we have the bislak. One of the best one ever. Bislak is a split cut bamboo or any daplak wood. So you scrape your kimot, but be extra careful because if you rush,
Okay.
nung napaspas ka unay, you might cut your kimot and it's gonna make dara-dara. So only expert, once again, only expert Ilocano knows how to use this kind of ancient toilet paper from the barrio. So we have bulong, we have bislak, we have ambuligan, we have bingkol, sometimes we have ruteng or ruot. Anything you can grab on and then you can use that as a toilet paper. It's not about telling the world that, hey, we don't use toilet paper at all, but this is how I grew up. This is how I learned to live like a hardcore Ilocano from the jungle, homie. You know what I'm saying? Jungle, farm, bangkag, you put us anywhere. We go to the city, we can manage, homie. Isong kong kunak, Ilocano lang, tikatib karan tilubong, awan sa balen.